Welcome to Trade Doc, the options trader, where we recap today's close, look at the futures, and scan through our ETF watch list to spot opportunity. Today is October 25th, and the markets closed mostly in the red. The S&P down a little over 1/4%, NASDAQ down full 0.5%, and the Russell down more than 0.75%, about 10 points. Just looking into the futures, let's see, majors are down 1/4% for the NASDAQ. Let's see, the bonds are up. The VIX is up almost a full percent. This is 6 o'clock Eastern time. Crude is at 29.37. Natural gas down 0.5%. Gold and silver, they're mixed. The dollar came down just a bit, and the pound sterling is down under 122. Looking into the ETF watch list, this is oil. Came down a 1.66%. Still have our sell on it, holding it until this support trend line, call it. Oil explorers came down. Tomorrow probably put in a reversal here, hopefully. And natural gas came down hard today, past this trend line, which is isn't really a sell point, seeing that it broke below, but it is winter time, so it just might be a good buying opportunity pretty soon. Gold came up at 0.75%. Still have our buy on there. Still managed to close below its 20-day moving average. Gold miners were up 2.32%. Things are still looking good. There's silver, gapped up almost to 1%. I had a sell here, but if it touches this trend line, then we'll make it a buy again. The bonds TLT came up about 1/4%. Highlighted, I have these 3 bars because TLT is never green 3 bars in a row, and here you are, 3 reds in a row. So who knows? This XLE, one of the best, probably best trade. Now it's still above this midline, so there's still a chance to put on some iron condors between this level of 72 and say 67. Trading this range. Financials came down, still looking good. I'm gonna battle this for a while. Industrials, they gapped down and closed up, still holding the support line. No position. XLU, put this price line here just to show this previous action here. Should be doing the same here. And then moving down. More of like a channel on this one. Keep that one. Let's do this. Alright. Midway above the channel. Since it did close a couple of days there, let's do this. I don't know, can't confirm that it'll hold, but that looks pretty good. So you can see it's gonna come up, most likely come up here. So this, I would like to put a buy on it, but I'm not gonna. Material sector is coming down. Would put a sell on it. Yeah, probably would put a sell on it. There's material sector, it's coming down. No confirmation yet, it could trade sideways. This is XLV, which we had a buy on it, still holding support. If it breaks that line there, then we're gonna get out of it for a small loss. There's a support line. Breaks that line, we'll lick our wounds. Real estate. This one's working out. Had a sell on it. It's gonna work its way down this channel. This one hurt. Home builders. Big drop today. Almost 3.5%. This one, we're gonna have to lick our wounds on it and put a sell on it. It's not gonna be recovering anytime soon. There's really no support, and this is big volume here. Sorry. This is a big volume candle, so that confirms that that is going to stay short. So I'll make sure to probably bought some calls. Retail trading sideways below this channel, still have our sell on there. Material sector, since it broke above this channel here and it broke above resistance here, I mean relative strength, I'm going to put a buy on it, but I'm not gonna because it's consumer staples. The dollar we shorted yesterday, DX. The SPY came up, can't drop down. The Dow still moving sideways across that channel, likes the midline there. The Russell came down, almost broke this channel, so it's going to be traveling in this direction here. Don't want to add no more trend lines to that. The cubes were we shorted yesterday at its all-time high. Unbelievable. We came down today a little over 1/4%. This is our range here. Now that we got in, I'm going to remove that and just put in a price line at 1927. Emerging markets, they open down and close up 0.11%. It wants to finish this apex move in here, and then we should see some downward movement. China likes to trade sideways. This is British pound. Again, came down. Now it's kind of right below this support. It came down and came back up. We'll see if it can come back up above that, or we can put another trend line in for support. And please comment. Thanks for watching. XLE, the yen and the VIX came up after we put a buy in yesterday. See you tomorrow.